On question number 5, we're trying to find the perimeter and the area of this shape. And to find the perimeter, we want to add up all the sides. And we know most of our sides, but we don't know this left-hand side and we don't know the bottom. But if we look across the sides that we do know, we can kind of figure out what these two sides are. So looking at the left side, from here to here, that should be 3. Here to here, that should be 4. And here to here should be 5. So 3 plus 4 plus 5, that's going to get us 12. So that side will be 12 centimeters. The bottom, we know from here to here will be 8. We know from here to here will be 5. And here to here will be 2. So 2 plus 5 plus 8 is going to get us 15 centimeters. So my perimeter, I'm adding up all of my sides. So 8 plus 3 plus 5 plus 4 plus 2 plus 5 plus 15 plus 12. And if I add those up, then we get 54 centimeters. Let's look at the area now. So this is not a rectangle, this shape isn't, but we can split it up into a couple different rectangles. So I'm going to split it up into this rectangle and then a middle rectangle and then a right rectangle. So the dimensions of the left one are 12 by 8. The middle one is 5, and then it's actually 9 centimeters tall. So if you look at the 4 and the 5, you can get the 9. And then the right one, that is 5 tall and 2 across. So to find the areas of each of these rectangles, we just need to multiply the length times the width. So this will be 96 square centimeters, 45 square centimeters, and 10 square centimeters. So if we add these up, then we get 151 square centimeters.